Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display. Now let's take a look at this lock and display section, and here we've got screen timeout, so let's enter. And as you can see right here, we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently I've got this 1 minute option applied, as you can see it is marked. And basically all you have to do in order to change it, just tap on the option like to use. So I'll pick 10 minutes, as you can see right now it is marked. Here you've got also the information. What's more, after getting back to the display settings, you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Motorola Edge 30 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.